Hey guys, what is going on? I've been pretty bad at doing updates, but I figured today would be a good day for an update. So it has been pretty much exactly 1 year since I got the truck on the road and got the air conditioning working. I get tons of questions. It's probably one of the #1 questions about this truck. So I thought I'd do a quick 1 year update. If you're new to the page, this is my 88 3500 GMC that I did 12 valve swap and a 4-wheel drive swap on. So it's a P-pump 12 valve, and I do have working air conditioning. I pulled my air cleaner off just so I could hook up my hoses and stuff, but that is a stock Dodge 2nd gen compressor, 2nd gen condenser, and kind of a combination of the two lines. I welded the Dodge lines into the GM lines, and I'm using the stock low pressure switch from the GM system. I'm using only the low pressure switch. That's all this system had. The Dodge had a high and a low, I believe, but I haven't had any problems. So I have one hook up here, and my other one is right down on the compressor. So I hooked it up, and I have an extra can here just hooked from another job, and was checking to see how the pressures were, and everything's good. So I'll fire it up and show you that, and then we'll take a temperature test inside the cab. Haven't touched it since last year, and it still feels pretty cool. The ambient temperature outside today is around 85 or 87, somewhere in there. So you still have all the stock GM AC controls. So we'll put it on max AC high. I'll show you the temperature at the vents here after it cools down, and then we'll check the pressure. Alright, so here's my current temp. This is the vent farthest from the unit, and I'm at 30 degrees. Yeah, it's about 32. So it's freezing. Now if I go outside in the 90-degree sun, it's going to go up some, but even up into about 42, 44, it still feels really good. But sitting here in the garage, it's icy. So it has no problem at all cooling this little cab. So overall, I'm super pleased with it. Cost me almost nothing because I reused everything. And I went with ester oil because it blends well with the R12 oil. And I did put the 134 retrofit kit on the GM parts. So if you saw my original video, I think I had like 35 or 40 bucks in the oil, the retrofit kit, and a couple of cans of 134. So I can't imagine doing all the work on these nice trucks and not having AC, at least for the part of the country I live in. So ask me questions if you have any, and hope that helps. Thanks for watching.